Here at Robert Goddard High School, we offer a variety of different clubs, PSAL sports, college preparation courses and programs, and advanced placement courses. As a senior here at Goddard, I have definitely witnessed the heavy college readiness this school prepares you with and the teachers' willingness to help you succeed.
One of the things that I love about Goddard is the close-knit community. We have a diverse population, and the school culture is one that promotes communication, acceptance, and collaboration. And the staff is amazing, as they will help you in any way they can. Since freshman year, I've made so many new friends and have had a lot of fun experiences, and we know you will too.
At Goddard, our courses are as diverse as our student body. We have a variety of electives and advanced placement classes. There are often new classes added as we continue to grow and expand our curriculum. Some of the classes offered include robotics, computer science, digital and visual art, AP drawing and painting, and AP psychology.
Our after-school program and team sports provide an opportunity for students to explore other interests and build close bonds with their classmates. Team sports include soccer, basketball, softball, and baseball. Students can also join cheerleading and other clubs offered, such as COSA, the Committee of Student Activities, LASSO, the Latin American Student Organization, debate, art club, computer coding, guitar, gaming, and many others.
Our school provides students with opportunities to visit museums, colleges, and even international trips such as the Italy trip sponsored by the National Honor Society. We've also attended places like the Microsoft headquarters in New York City. Some of our annual events include the Multicultural Festival, Fall Festival, special events for the seniors, such as prom, the senior trip, and a picnic.
Hi, I'm Ariel Ryan, and I'm a 10th grader at Goddard. You get to know your teachers and classmates much better. With less students, your child will be prioritized. Even though there are 8 periods in a regular Goddard schedule, never fear getting lost around the school, in hallways or staircases. There are signs directing you to the next class. There are no lockers at our school, but that's okay because teachers rarely ask you to carry around heavy textbooks. Also, this makes hallways much more spacious. During the winter, teachers let you use their in-classroom closets to store any umbrellas, jackets, or other essentials. Goddard has a family-like atmosphere. My experience at Goddard so far has been quite enjoyable. At Goddard, we celebrate positivity and growth amongst our students. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Erica. I'm currently an 11th grade student at Robert H. Goddard High School. I was able to take 2 AP classes last year in 10th grade, which is the year you are offered to begin taking these classes, as well as 2 more classes this year in 11th grade. AP classes are college-level based classes which help high school students prepare themselves for college. These classes provide students with academic skills such as critical thinking and problem-solving skills. They offer students life skills, such as being able to manage your time, being organized, and being able to speak in front of large crowds of people.
Hi, my name is Brandon Chinapen. I graduated Goddard in 2015. Currently, I'm doing my master's program at Queens College for school counseling, so I'm really excited for that. I recently just graduated also from Queens College from my bachelor's, majored in sociology, minor in psychology. One thing about Goddard that I really liked was, even though the school was small, everyone knew each other. So yeah, all the students knew the teachers, vice versa. Everyone just showed love and positive vibes. And Goddard was really the best 4 years of my life, so thankful for that.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Acevedo. I graduated Goddard in 2013. I'm currently in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm finishing up my third year of law school here. I plan to return to New York City in the fall of 2021 to practice law as an assistant district attorney. One thing I loved about Goddard is the close, tight-knit community that I found comfort in. I really think the students there were great, and I made some of my closest friends there. But I also think the faculty there really cared about the students' success and really showed interest in, having them succeed and doing well in school. I think the faculty really helped the students feel supported, or at least I felt supported. And I think that really set a solid foundation for my success in college and beyond.
Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph J. Burgess, and I am the principal of the Robert H. Goddard High School of Communication Arts and Technology. And I'd like to welcome all families and students from middle schools across New York City, and I want to thank you for joining today's remote-based information session. As you know, we are all living in momentous times, and I'd like to first thank you for your service and perseverance during such a difficult time period. I hope and pray your families are safe and that the 2021 school year will be a year when we will all return to in-person learning. I do hope that you enjoyed the video snapshot of Goddard High School and that you will explore our website in more detail, visit our Instagram page at Goddard308, and complete the Google survey form so that we can get to know you better. As you saw today, Goddard is an amazing high school with incredibly dedicated and experienced teachers and students who are hardworking, focused, and excited about college. If you choose Goddard, expect to work hard by taking advanced coursework through our AP programs and college course programs via our student partnerships with University of Albany and Plaza College. And as our name states, we are an arts and technology school. And so we have both studio art and digital art classes using Photoshop and computer-based classes like robotics and AP computer science principles. Not to mention a variety of art and technology clubs and internships. If you have any questions, feel free to complete the Google survey and I will reach out to you. Again, thank you for joining us today. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe. God bless.